We are about to uncover another fascinating English idiom that takes us back to the muddy medieval markets, sneaky sellers and a few unlucky shoppers. So let's learn and grow. Dive in. Meaning. The phrase "a pig in a poke" means to buy or accept something without properly checking it first, and usually ending up disappointed or deceived. Example: he bought that second-hand car without looking under a bonnet. A real pig in a poke. In other words, you've trusted something blindly and got tricked. Origin. Story time. Now this is where it gets juicy, or should I say muddy. Let's rewind 700 years to the bustling open-air markets of medieval England and Europe. Imagine you're a villager, proud of your few silver coins, ready to buy a young piglet to fatten up for the winter. A sly merchant offers you a bargain, a pig already tied up in a cloth sack, known back then as a poke, from Old French poke, the same root as pocket. You hand over your money, sling the bag over your shoulder and head home dreaming of roast dinners. But when you get there, you open the bag and out jumps a cat. You've just bought a pig in a poke, or rather a cat in a bag. And that's exactly where another idiom, "let the cat out of the bag," comes from, revealing a secret or deception. It's a perfect example of how English idioms are interwoven like threads of a storybook, full of character, culture and history. Modern meaning and usage. Today we use a pig in a poke for any bad deal or blind decision, especially in business, online shopping or contracts. Modern examples: that online bargain looked great, but it was a pig in a poke. Totally fake. Investing without research, that's buying a pig in a poke. Don't sign that lease without reading it. You might be taking on a pig in a poke. C1, C2 vocabulary. Let's level up with a few advanced words linked to this idiom word. The act of deliberately making someone believe something is false. The whole deal was built on deception. Naivety. C2. A lack of experience or sophistication. His naivety made him fall for that pig in a poke offer. Scrutinise. C1. To examine something closely and carefully. Always scrutinise the details before you buy. Use these to sound more precise and professional, especially in business, English or IELTS writing. Practice sentences at tiered levels. A2 to B1, every day. I bought the phone online, but it didn't work. A pig in a poke. Don't buy things without checking, it's risky. B2 to C1, academic professional. The client felt misled. The proposal turned out to be a pig in a poke. C1 to C2, advanced business. Investors who fail to scrutinise reports may end up funding a pig in a poke. The merger looked promising on paper, but it was a corporate pig in a poke. Okay, so next time you're tempted by a too good to be true deal, remember, don't buy a pig in a poke, always open the bag before you buy. Stay classy, curious and always learn and grow. See you on the flip side. Ta-ra a bit.